Okay, stand. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Take a step to the side. Turn your feet out and just sit 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. You're slowing down. 8 and bend and straighten. Turn this out. Turn this out. So make sure your heels are in the same line. Okay? Now straighten that leg. Both legs straight. Your right foot facing front, left foot 90 degrees. Place this behind your back. Look at your right, just to make sure that you don't lean forward. Okay? And breathe out as you lean towards the left. Place your palm down. Now lift your arm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back up. Turn your feet to face front. Hands on your hips. Breathe in, lengthen your spine. Breathe out. Push your chest towards the floor, pushing your tailbone back. Push your tailbone back. Feel stretching your hamstrings, your calves, your glutes. Keep your back straight. Hold your ankles. Lengthen your spine. Breathe in, lengthen your spine. As you breathe out, push your chest towards the floor. 1. Feel the stretch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring your palms to the center. Walk your hands forward, but push your tailbone back, stretching your back muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Straighten your back, you're hunching. 7, don't drop your head. 8, hold it there, push. Lengthen your spine, lengthen your spine, lengthen your spine. Don't drop your head. Head in line with your spine, that's it. Now walk your legs in. Walk your legs in and bend your knees and get up. Yeah. Now turn your right foot out. Left foot facing front. Stretch your arms. Take this arm back. Look to your left. Lean towards your right. And lengthen the arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back. Now, when you were bending forward, Kirti,
yeah,
you are hunching your back. See, this is what I was seeing. You see that?
Yeah.
You should not hunch your back. Your back should always be straight. It should be like one straight line. So when you go forward, always push your chest forward, keeping your back straight. See that? Can you see that?
Yeah.
Just pushing. It doesn't matter if you don't reach the floor. The idea is for you to keep your back straight and feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Okay? So, yeah. Place your palms on your thighs. Now again, you're hunching. Can you see that? Lengthen your spine, push your chest forward, shoulders back. Chest forward, shoulders back. Back straight. You have to learn to keep your back straight like this. It should look like a tabletop. Yeah, it's getting there. Stand up straight. Stand up straight. Lock your arms at the back. Push them under your bottom like that. Push your shoulders back and then lengthen. That's it. Shoulders back, shoulders back, shoulders back. Raise your rib cage up. Push your rib cage up. Yeah, there you go. That's it. You have to work at that. Okay?
Yeah.
You have to work at getting your back straight whenever you go down. So when you go down, always bend from your hip. See, my back is absolutely straight because my shoulders are back. My chest is forward and my shoulders are back. Is my back straight?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is what you need to try and achieve.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I'm going to practice that. Keep it. You know, when you a good thing for you to do, you can ask Janki or your mom to do that. So you bend forward and tell them to keep a glass on your back and see if you can balance it. If you're like this, the glass is going to go back down. Steel one, not a glass of cake.
Yeah.
But that will help you to learn to keep your back straight. The minute you do this, the glass will fall. So you have to balance the glass on your back. That's a good exercise for you to do.
Yeah. Yeah.
Will you do that?
Yeah.
I want to check next week.
Okay.
Finish your class.